Good morning, my friends. So this video is for our project block. I have you guys actually doing two projects today because they kind of go together. So you guys are going to be making hunting toys. And the two kinds of hunting toys that you are going to make are called a deer hat and a spear. So let's read a little bit about the deer hat and the spear. I will also post the materials and the directions and pictures of each of these in the comment section so you guys can see them. So let's read a little bit about the deer hat. Boys were given small toy bows and arrows, tomahawks, and axes. They played while they learned how to use the hunting tools they would use to feed their family when they grew up. Boys had to learn a lot about an animal in order to be a good hunter. They made whistles or learned to make the call of the animal. They played at being the animal using masks. They watched and studied an animal's behavior and life cycle. All of this came in handy when they were hunting, armed with only a sharp stick or a club. Clever Indian hunters would wear the skin of an animal over their back, with the head on top of theirs. This way, they could slowly and quietly sneak up on the animal. With only bows and arrows, or spears, they had to get very close to the animal. White traders brought guns with them, which made hunting easier. So for materials, it says 2 sheets of tan construction paper, 9 by 12, brown construction paper, 3 by 20 inches, pencil, scissors, stapler. It says draw and cut out an antler from tan paper. There's a template on here that I will take a picture of so you guys can trace it or blow it up. Turn it over and use it as a pattern for the other antler. Cut it out. Fit the strip of construction paper to your head and staple it in place. Staple the antlers in place at the sides of the headband. And then there's a picture of an all done one, so I'll post that too. The spear. Indians made spear points by chipping away at a piece of stone with tools made of antler, bone, or stone. Obsidian was a type of stone that made very sharp spear points and knives. People traded for pieces of obsidian for chipping knife blades and arrowheads. So it says over here, staying alive. A tribe of 100 people needed about 4 deer or 1 elk each day, or 2 buffalo a week to keep from going hungry. This kept the half dozen or so hunters very busy. So then there is a picture of 4 different types of spears. There's a spear from Ohio. There's a spear from Louisiana. There's a spear from Arizona. And there is a spear from Arkansas. So what it wants you to do is you can cut it from cardboard. Okay? If you want to copy one of those, or you can make your own spear shape. So like I said, I will post the materials and the directions and the pictures on how to make these. So I hope you guys have fun. Can't wait to see what you come up with.